Hey, Christine here. So today I'm going to show you how to make my cornbread stuffing. This is made out of cornbread. It's savory, it's a little sweet, it's a little salty. It's so good and easy to make. Subscribe to my channel while you're here and enjoy the video. We're going to start with 2 cups of chopped celery, 2 cups of chopped white onion. For the herbs, we're going to use thyme, and we'll do 1 tablespoon. And then we'll do sage, chopped up, 1 tablespoon of that. Now the salt. I do almost a tablespoon. This is at your discretion on how much you want to add. I do about half a tablespoon of pepper, 1 stick of Kerrygold salted butter. Put it in the pan, let that get all hot and yummy, and then add all of your dressing to this. So this is all the ingredients, and you're going to cook this for about 15 minutes while you're breaking up your cornbread. I used the Famous Dave's cornbread, and I made it extra toasty, like I cooked it more, and then I added a ton of butter. I break it up into cubes into a bowl, and then I add the dressings in there. Now we add about half a cup of chicken stock. Now, I'll add a little bit more as I go through, but what I want to do is break up the cornbread cubes along and mix it with the dressing. Now I'm ready to add in the stock, and what I do is I just kind of spread it throughout and then mix it in there, kind of knead it through. Next, we're going to add chopped black olives. I do about half a can, and I mix it as I go. So this is to your tasting as well. You can add, none or some. It's up to you. It adds a little bit of a saltiness to this. In a mixing bowl, add 3 eggs and whisk it. Then add this to your cornbread stuffing dressing. You want to make sure that when you're mixing this in that you don't overmix it so it doesn't become mushy. Set this aside and grab your baking dish. I used a baking foil tray because I was traveling, and just kind of flatten it out and then add foil on top of this and place it in the oven at 350, and you want to bake this for 30 minutes. Once this is done baking, take off the foil, turn off the stove, and then place it back in the oven. Set the timer for 6 more minutes so that way this can get a little toasty on the top. And here you go. Here's the cornbread stuffing. There is never any leftovers on this. Everybody loves this, and they've asked me to make it again and again, so that's why I know how to make this after 10 years. Here is a photo of our Friendsgiving. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Christine. I'll see you in the next video.